What are the benefits of an SSL certificate for your website? As far as online security is concerned, layered security works better than a single protective measure. SSL certificate is one such component that works with other security measures to protect websites. Let's look at some of the benefits of an SSL certificate for your website. Protects data. Data is the most vulnerable while it travels from the hosting server to a visitor's browser. An SSL certificate encrypts data before sending it to the user, securing it against breach and interception. Confirms your identity. With fake sites perpetrating phishing attacks, it is important that a user can identify an authentic website. SSL certificates provide authentication to websites and also issue visual indicators of trust. Helps win visitors' trust. Once an internet user falls prey to fake website and scammers, they begin to lose trust. With visual seals of trust like HTTPS and the padlock sign, an SSL certificate reassures visitors. Boosts search engine rankings. The SEO activity is important for a website's success as it brings in more visitors through search results. Without an SSL certificate, search engines do not promote websites at the top of search results. Helps meet compliance requirements. PCI compliance requirements make it mandatory for websites dealing with payments to have SSL. If your website accepts payments, an SSL certificate will help you meet PCI compliance requirements. HostGator offers the enhanced protection of SSL certificates as easy monthly plans. Reassure your website visitors, protect sensitive information and boost your Google ranking with SSL.